Hello everybody, this is Helga and let's study English together. Today we are studying the verb to be. Subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Verb to be. It has got three forms, am, is, are. Let's put them together. Subject pronouns and to be. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, and they are. For example, Tom. Which one is Tom? Am, is, or are? Is. Tom is rich. My mother. Which one is my mother? Am, is, or are? Is. My mother is pretty. Your brothers. Which one is your brothers? Am, is, or are? Are. Your brothers are tall. Our dogs. Which one? Am, is, or are? Are. Our dogs are old. The house. Which one? Am, is, or are? Is. The house is expensive. To practice more, check the links below the video. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, funenglish.learning. Thanks for watching. See you soon.